I'm going to ask about the Sanjay Dutt biopic in which you are doing the role of Madhuri Dixit.
No, I'm not. I'm not doing that role. I'm not allowed to speak about it, but I'm very excited to be working with Raju Hirani. And also, I haven't worked with Ranbir in 10 years.
Yeah.
So it's a very small role, but it's significant. So it was just because I wanted to be a part of the project, like I wanted to be a part of Bhag Milkha Bhag, and I wanted to be a part of Delhi 6. So it's not usually, I usually like to do films like Neerja and Khoobsurat where I'm working every single day of that film. But I also like to do films like Bhag Milkha Bhag and stuff, because if I have to really be a heroine, then I might as well be a part of these kind of films.
No, absolutely. Has that been fun? Again, the great mystery wrapped biopic and the biopic that's been so wrapped in mystery.
Yeah, I haven't started filming for it yet because I'm working on this movie with Balki sir called Padman.
Yes.
Which has got Akshay Kumar and Radhika Apte, and I'm not again allowed to speak about my role at all, but it's a very relevant issue.
It's wonderful.
And it's such an entertaining film and so beautifully written. I mean, Balki sir is one of my favorite. Our Balki is, he's made some fantastic movies. He's made Pa, he's produced English Vinglish, he's made Chini Kam. He did Ki and Ka with Kareena and Arjun. So I'm excited about working with him,
And again, a topic sort of close to your heart, a theme close to your heart.
I mean, there has to be, you can't, the amazing thing about any kind of art is that it usually reflects what society is going through, and sometimes once in a while you get to be a part of art that can, you know, instigate a little bit of change in the way people think. And it's pretty exciting to be a part of so many projects that are that.
And Twinkle Khanna is one of the producers. So
yeah.
I imagine there's a fairly naughty, saucy
side to it. Yes, it was her story in her short stories, and I've known Tina almost all my life. Her mom and my mom are very, I mean, they're very close. They've known each other before my mom even got married. So Dimple auntie and my mom. So I've known Tina for a very long time, and she was very touched with the way we showcased her father in Neerja as well. So it was nice. It's nice to be a part of a project with Tina, who I admire very much.
She's amazing.